If you want to get started with real estate investing, first thing first, you have to know your goals. How much money do I want to make from real estate investing? Then I have to go location, location, location. You hear people talk about it all the time, but the property that you're going to be investing in has to be in a location that is drawing a lot of attention so that the value of that property can go up fast so that you can make your money. The next thing is do your due diligence. Location may be good, but is the house solid? Is the property, the structure, the building, all of these things secure? Is the property taxes up to date? Make sure you do your due diligence. Remember, I tell you, trust but verify. Do your due diligence. It's very important. Then now we need to think about getting the money, the financing, and other people money is the best money. So when we think about financing, we want to approach our bank, start having that discussion with them early about the pre-approval letter to make sure that you can pre-qualify for the right amount of money so that you can buy the investment property that's going to meet your goals. When you think about it, doing your research, knowing your goals, looking at location, looking at the type and the quality of the property and making sure that everything is legitimate about that property, and then going to get the financing. This is how you ensure that you're making the best choices with your investment property and you can have a profitable, get it? Profitable investment strategy.